cheap materials, waiting to see how I turn them into luxury Pottery Barn dupes. You guys, I love this Pottery Barn wreath. What I don't love is the price tag. Yikes, is $229. Let me show you how easy it is to replicate this for just a fraction of the cost. I went to my Dollar Tree and I picked up 4 packs of the large jingle bells and 1 pack of the smaller bells. I already have this bamboo wreath, so I didn't have to purchase one. This is going to be so easy. I'm going to start by hot gluing the large bells onto my wreath. This is how it's looking so far. I'm going to continue adding more bells. Can you hear that? That sounds so pretty. And now I'm going to go in with the smaller bells, and I'm just going to place those between each of the large bells. Okay, I'm done adding all the bells, and now I'm just going to add a bow. Oh my goodness, could you see all the glue webs? Okay, so the Pottery Barn wreath has a brown bow. I'm going to make mine with this Walmart velvet brown ribbon. To make the bow, I'm going to loop it once and then tie the center with some floral wire. And then to create a tail, I'm going to be cutting 1 long strip of ribbon and then twisting the center and then tying it with some wire. Now it's time to attach it to my wreath, so I'm going to start with the tail first and then I'll add the bow. I love how it turned out, but I want to know what you think. Let me know how I did. Would you choose the Pottery Barn or mine? The last time I went thrifting, I scored this fall wreath for just $3.49. This one here is a Pottery Barn Christmas wreath. So with the wreath that I scored, I'm going to try and replicate it. I'm going to start by removing all the fall picks from it. I'm going to use these pine picks from Dollar Tree and just add them to the half portion of the wreath. It took 4 packs of 6 to complete this. Next, I'm going to go in with these pine cones and just hot glue them. And then lastly, I'm going to add some red berries. And this is how my version came out. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye bye and God bless.